Hi guys, it's Michelle and I'm just here very quickly. I'm going to show you how to change your wig colour without damaging it from this shade to this. Now this here is the Jon Renau Kim wig that I'm wearing. Hey dudes, welcome to my parents' bathroom. They don't know I'm doing that. A good plan would be to wear a pair of nitrile gloves. So I've removed the tangles, wet hair completely under cool running water, lather shampoo in the palm of your hand and distribute evenly. Approximate processing time is 1 to 5 minutes. Then this is to show you the Jon Renau Untitled Violet Shampoo.